this video, I'll be showing you guys what's working for the state of North Carolina, and this right here is something you don't want to miss, so pay close attention. Alright y'all, back at it again, and shout out to everyone that's been following along in my Lottery Geek community. When studying what's going on right now in the NC lottery draws, the method I discovered, I just couldn't wait to share it with you guys, because once I seen what it was doing, I already knew it was something serious. So in today's video, I'm gonna break it down step by step so you will know exactly how to use it. For today's example, I'll be starting with North Carolina's date, April 3rd, 2026, to get our day hit. So let's dive in. Now the way that you start setting up this workout is first by drawing a square box. This is what that looks like. Once you have your square box set up, you would then take your previous hit numbers and put them in each corner. First digit top left, second digit bottom left, third digit bottom right, fourth digit top right. This is what that looks like. After you have put your previous numbers in the four corners, you now want to put vertical lines in between them. This is what that looks like. After you have placed your previous numbers in each corner and put the lines in between them, you will now add all around until all boxes are filled in. You will start off of the number in the bottom right corner, and this is where it starts to come together right here. After you have filled in all your boxes, it's now time to apply your date sum. For this workout, the date sum that is best used for the state of North Carolina right now is the month and day in the month date sum. Here's what that looks like. Now you will circle all your date sum digits in the workout, and this part right here is very important. This is what that looks like. On April 4th, 2026 daytime, the number that hit for that day was 0792. Now look at this closely so you can see how it came out in the workout. Now when trying this workout, what people run into is the date sum, and this is how you fix that. For this example, I'll be using North Carolina's previous date, April 5th, 2026, to show you how to get this hit. So just like we set up the first one, we will do the same thing here by drawing a square box. Here's what that looks like again. After you have the square box set up, you will now put your numbers in each corner. Here's what that looks like again. After that, you will fill in your numbers. Starting off of the bottom right number, this is how that should look. Now this is where most people run into a problem. When using the next day date sum for the next day, what happens is the lottery will sometimes pull the mirror number from that date sum digit. So how do we fix that? The way to fix it is by counting down one from the bigger date sum digit. And my best recommendation is to set up 2 square box workouts and pull numbers from both. This helps you see which one is working better, and before playing, you should test both workouts for at least 2 to 3 days. Now the next thing people run into is only finding 3 out of 4 numbers in the workout. The way to fix that is by flipping the full workout to its mirrored numbers. After flipping the workout to your mirrored numbers, you will circle the smaller date sum digit in the workout. This is what that looks like. So before you play, this is how everything should be set up on your sheet. On April 5th, 2026 daytime, the number that hit was 3696. Now look at this and see how it lines up with the workout. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. There is more in store where that came from. And Ontario, your video is up next, so be on the lookout. Make sure you guys drop a comment and I'll catch you in the next one.